What's up? We're back. I'm heading to Warren. Gonna go ride with Jacob. Be my first ride this year with him. And yeah, I'm hoping it's not hot as balls. It's like 5 degrees cooler there, it shows, than at my house, because it's like an hour north. So we'll see if I sweat my nuts off or not. But yeah, we're on the road. See how these new frickin' tie rods are. They're beefy now. Beefy boys. They're 12 millimeter instead of 10. So I shouldn't fucking bend them in theory. Especially at just trail riding. I mean, the sand pit, I don't even know how I did it, but I did. No dust today, that's good. It rained earlier. I don't mind getting a little muddy if it means I'm not eating dust all day. I think most people would agree. Oh, I got it right in the fucking grill, dude. God damn it. I'm gonna get in trouble if I keep leading, so I'm gonna let Steve go in front. I already got sprayed a little bit. For me? No, just I hit the puddle just right and it went right into my camera and everything, dude. Yeah, you're still clean. Mike died almost. Yeah, I'm glad we got the rain because it's not dusty at all, dude.
Have you, can we connect to the track from here?
You gotta go this way still. Yeah.
I think this thing's gonna need a top end in it.
Gonna need what?
Top end.
What's it doing?
Just making noise. Like it's got some piston flop.
It's just making noise. The old fish hatchery. Look at that. think this might be it. Pretty sure that's it. I just heard somebody, like, they opened that door, but I think they went out somewhere else. So there's a track there we can rent. It's 30 bucks for adults, 20 for kids, but no four-wheelers. Wah, wah, wah. Which is sad, but I'll just have to get a dirt bike and go ripping with Jacob and his dad. You didn't see shit. I did not stall it.
Okay.
Oh. You didn't see shit. I did not stall it. Oh, the sweet air. So yeah, we checked out the track. It looks pretty fucking sweet. But yeah, it's only dirt bikes. So yeah, it's 20 bucks kids, 30 bucks adults. And it's 12 to 6 Wednesday, 10 to 5 Friday, Saturday. But yeah, he goes out there with his like little skid steer and clears it out, like cleans it up after each like session or whatever, each day. So that's pretty sweet. You're gonna need a dirt bike now. It would be fun to hit it on this, but I'm gonna kill myself either way. Yeah. I can just sit here on my machine, you know, comfortably. I
can also go ride at that track.
I'm just chilling. Yeah, fuck off. No four-wheelers. God damn it. Yeah.
It wasn't that bad.
Oh my god. Took you like 5 minutes. The mud section.
remember it being bad. This guy's a maniac. Little power slide. So many rocks, bro.
Oh yeah.
This is nice. I am covered, bro. Gonna definitely need to go clean up over there. Just gonna get destroyed on the way back anyways. You good? What'd you do? Fucking roost it in the mud? And then it spun out on you?
My front tire.
Oh, you completely lost it?
I fucking smacked my head against the ground pretty good.
Oh, that's why you wear a helmet.
Yeah.
Take a breather. Oh, Jacob, buddy. Got you pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it did. Fucking rocked me.
Want some Wawa?
Yeah.
You poor guy.
Fucker. Bitch.
Yeah, out of the corner of my eye, I looked back and I thought I saw you go, and I looked back and then you're just on the ground. I was like, oh shit, he did go down. Yeah.
But yeah, you can see where. Maybe that's your track.
No, I went right here. I stayed on the. Oh Jesus Christ! I can see what you mean. I stayed on the top part. Okay. Here we go. Scumbag trying to get me, dude. I knew it. I was like, I'm not getting any fuck closer, you son of a bitch. Going a lot slower than I did last time because I got destroyed. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's fucking wrong. I hope to God I didn't bend anything. Oh, what a gentleman. Game is game. And I was like, yeah, dude, game is game, bro. You know what I'm saying? That dude's got the moves, bro. Maybe if you do that for Coda, you won't even need to give her a back massage. You just hand her some freaking flowers. Hey, game is game. I saw that. I saw that. I just realized I haven't been really like talking a lot. I'm just thinking about food, but the guy posted, I pinned a comment. I pinned a comment on one of my videos that said like and subscribe or whatever. And somebody commented on it, it goes, we would, but if you would just shut up and ride. And I just wrote, no, you. And then he deleted his comment like 10 minutes later. So I just said no you to my pinned comment, just me. And I was like, oh, okay, that's weird. I gotta delete that now. But I thought that was funny. I was like, no you. And he just deleted it.